What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. I have something to review for you that I think you guys will have a lot of interest in. This is by GRABO, newly released, the very first battery operated electric suction cup. This can safely lift up to 440 pounds. It is equipped with a revolutionary on-off sensor. When it starts to lose pressure, when the suction starts to decrease, it automatically turns back on. Works with an array of different types of material: glass, drywall, tile, large quartz slabs, large porcelain panels, and fully electric. Works on 4 AA batteries. Let's get right to it. Bring the camera up close, we'll show you what it looks like, and I will test it on very heavy large glass, porcelain, and a quartz slab. Now before we get going, make sure you guys are subscribed, tap that bell notification down there, smash that like button, and as per usual, I will leave a link in the description with pricing and specs on this unit. Here we go. And here it is, a nice simple small case for the unit. It has a gauge on the unit for safe lifting, caution, as well as danger, but automatically starts to pump up if it loses pressure or suction on your material. Let's open her up. Instructions and your unit. Again, there is your gauge. AA's. You have your on-off button, and this is to release the pressure, this little lever here. Let's quickly show you how it works, and then we will test it on very large, heavy pieces of material. And then it shuts off by itself. Lots of good suction. Use this little lever to release the suction to remove. All right, let's really put it to the test with big, large pieces of material from glass, porcelain, and quartz. Now, one of the main benefits of this is simply to speed up time and make installation a lot quicker and easier rather than having a manual pump-up suction cup. It also puts the guesswork out. If it starts to lose suction, it will kick back up to regain more suction. So we're going to install this large piece of glass on this back wall, but first let's show you different types of material this works with and how powerful the suction is. Here we go. Large, heavy, and awkward porcelain tiles. Great when you're working with big, heavy, awkward pieces of quartz, like your quartz countertops. It's about 80, 90 pounds. Great for moving from point A to point B as well as installation. And this is extremely helpful for moving large pieces of glass panel for your shower enclosures. Half-inch thick. I will show you how this small, compact electric suction cup makes it so easy to install large pieces of material, such as your large glass panels, your 4-foot porcelain tiles or your large porcelain panels. Here we go. There you have it, very light, very compact, very powerful, a lot quicker than, easier than pumping a manual suction cup. Only 140 bucks. This can be used for so many different applications. I weigh 215 pounds. Check this out. Very powerful. There you go, AutoVac by GRABO. I love it. Great, powerful, multi-use tool. 140 bucks. I think you guys will like it as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.